Now this design here has been made with Iris Folding Kimono Set 1, and you can make this beautiful design here folding. There's a full video showing you how to do it from beginning to the end really, and you can frame them or incorporate them into other crafting projects, but you get them in all sorts of different sizes. Now that's the size there you can see that I used to make this example here. Now you get this as an A4. If you can hear click, click, clicking.
It's not some dodgy person wearing stilettos.
It's my puppy walking around with his nails. It's Stan. When I say Stan, it's not my granddad in high heels clicking around. It's Stan the puppy. So if you hear funny noises, you know what it is. Especially if you hear slurp, slurp, slurp.
I've just got this vision of somebody called Stan tottering around in high heels.
Anyway, back to the Kimono Set 1 of the Iris Folding. That's the A4 size. That's great. Watch the video, shows you how to use it, how to make it. Then if you want the slightly smaller size, you've got that one there too. And then we're going down smaller still. That's that one. And I'm just going to put that to one side. Then you've got this one, you've got enough to do 4 on that one. And this one, you've got the very small ones. They look fantastic. You can use all types of material, all types. Now, if you want to make an A3 size, you've got 2 options. You can either print off 2 A4s, or if you've got an A3 printer, use that. So if you're printing off on A4, you will print them both off like this. It comes out like that, and you just use a little bit of masking tape. Just stick those 2 together. Or if you're lucky enough to have an A3 printer, print it off that, and these make fantastic wall features. Wall features, how posh is that? Anyway, that is your Kimono Set, Iris Folding Set 1.
Which is going on my wall.